If there's one muscle group that gets the most attention in the gym, it's the biceps. Big defined arms don't just look impressive, they instantly make your entire physique stand out. But here's the problem. Most people overcomplicate bicep training, using too many exercises and wasting time on movements that don't really deliver. The truth is, you don't need 10 different curl variations to build bigger arms. You only need to master a few key exercises that hit the biceps from every angle and force them to grow. In this guide, we'll break down the only 3 exercises you truly need for serious bicep size and shape. These moves are scientifically proven to target the biceps effectively, helping you add thickness, peak, and definition without spending hours in the gym. Whether you're a beginner looking to add size or an experienced lifter wanting to break through a plateau, this simple yet powerful approach will help you build biceps that stretch your shirt sleeves. Stick with these 3 exercises, focus on proper form, and watch your arms transform. Ready to get started? Let's dive into the first exercise and see why it's a game changer. Before starting this video, let me know which city you are watching from. Number 1, hammer curls. Hammer curls are a powerful variation of the traditional biceps curl, targeting not only the biceps brachii, but also the brachialis and brachioradialis muscles, which help add thickness and strength to your arms. This exercise is particularly effective for building balanced arm development and improving grip strength. To perform hammer curls, stand upright with your feet shoulder width apart and hold a dumbbell in each hand with your palms facing each other. Neutral grip. Keep your elbows close to your sides and your shoulders relaxed throughout the movement. Slowly bend your elbows and lift the dumbbells upward in a controlled motion until they reach shoulder height. At the top of the movement, pause and squeeze your biceps for a moment to maximize muscle engagement. Lower the weights back down slowly to the starting position, resisting gravity for full benefit. One of the biggest mistakes during hammer curls is swinging the weights or using your back to lift. This reduces effectiveness and can lead to injury. Choose a weight that allows you to complete the exercise with strict form. Avoid locking your elbows at the bottom and maintain tension throughout the set. Hammer curls can be performed with dumbbells, cables, or resistance bands, offering versatility for any workout setup. They are also an excellent exercise to include alongside regular curls, as they target slightly different muscle groups. Aim for 2 to 3 sets of 10 to 15 repetitions. Over time, hammer curls will help you develop stronger, thicker arms and a more powerful grip. Number 2, biceps curl. The biceps curl is one of the most effective exercises for building arm strength and size because it directly targets the biceps brachii, the prominent muscle on the front of your upper arm. To perform this exercise correctly, stand tall with your feet shoulder width apart, holding a dumbbell in each hand with your palms facing forward. Keep your elbows close to your torso and your shoulders relaxed. Slowly bend your elbows and curl the weights upward until they reach shoulder level, squeezing your biceps at the top of the movement. Lower the weights back down in a controlled manner to the starting position. This controlled lowering phase is just as important as the lift because it helps maximize muscle engagement and growth. One of the biggest mistakes people make during biceps curls is using momentum or swinging their arms, which reduces muscle activation and increases the risk of injury. To avoid this, choose a weight you can lift with proper form and focus on slow, deliberate repetitions. You can also vary your grip, such as using a hammer grip with palms facing each other or a reverse grip with palms facing downward to target different parts of the biceps and forearms. Biceps curls can be performed with dumbbells, barbells, resistance bands, or even cables, making them a versatile exercise that can be included in any workout routine. Aim for 2 to 3 sets of 10 to 15 repetitions. And remember that consistency and correct form are the keys to stronger, more defined arms. Number 3, incline dumbbell curls. Incline dumbbell curls are an excellent exercise for targeting the long head of the biceps, which is responsible for building that high peaked look. To perform this exercise, set an adjustable bench to a 45-degree angle and sit back with a dumbbell in each hand. Let your arms hang straight down with your palms facing forward. Without moving your shoulders, slowly curl the dumbbells upward, focusing on squeezing your biceps at the top. Lower the weights back down in a controlled manner, feeling the full stretch in your arms at the bottom of the movement. The incline position forces the biceps to work through a longer range of motion and eliminates momentum, making it more challenging and effective. Use moderate weights in perfect form to avoid shoulder strain. Adding incline dumbbell curls to your routine will help you build fuller, more defined biceps that stand out even when your arms are relaxed. To get the most out of your bicep workouts, focus on quality over quantity. Perform each exercise with strict form, avoiding momentum or swinging your arms, as this reduces muscle activation. Slow, controlled reps with a strong squeeze at the top will help maximize muscle tension and growth. Train your biceps 1 to 2 times per week, allowing at least 48 hours of rest between sessions to recover properly. Progressive overload is key. Gradually increase the weight or reps over time to challenge your muscles. Don't forget to fully extend your arms at the bottom of each rep for a complete range of motion. Also, train supporting muscles like triceps and shoulders for overall arm balance and aesthetics. Finally, remember that building big biceps requires proper nutrition. Eat enough protein and calories to support muscle growth and stay consistent. Stick with these principles and your arms will grow stronger and bigger week after week. By the way, friends, see you soon for next video.